Tags are a powerful way to organize and filter your action items. You can create a new tag from 3 different places. First place to add a tag is by going to the settings of the project you want to add tags to, then clicking Project Tags, then clicking the plus sign to add a new tag. In this field, you can add a new tag by typing in the name and then pressing Done. Please note, a tag can only be one word with no spaces. Now, the second place to add a tag would be adding the tag directly from the tag creation screen. So, while you're adding a tag, you will see the option that allows you to add a tag. If you click this option, then you can either choose a previously created tag, or you can enter a tag that doesn't exist yet, and it will automatically create the tag for you right then and there. The third and last place to add a tag is in the Filters Management screen, and click Edit Filters, then click the plus sign at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Then you will see the Add option. When you click that, if you scroll to the bottom, you will see an option to filter by a tag. In this section, just like the last, you can choose an existing tag to filter by, or type in the top of the field to add a new one. If you want to learn how to use tags and best practices for filtering by tags, then please check out our tutorial labeled How to Use Tags. If you still have additional questions that were not addressed in this tutorial, feel free to check out our help desk at tax.io/helpdesk. Thanks for choosing Tax for your life's projects.